Okay, my friends. Class.
Yes, yes.
So, I know a lot of you have noticed that there's a camera right there, right?
Yeah.
So, I'm recording myself teaching a lesson to you guys because I have a teacher, like you guys have a teacher, right? And I have to show her that I'm learning how to be a teacher. So I'm learning how to be a teacher, and you guys are teaching me how to be a teacher by participating in my lesson. So I'm going to send this to my teacher later. So I hope that you guys can show her that you guys are so excited and such good students like you always are, right?
Yeah.
You're always so good. So we're going to do a little activity on subtraction. Okay, so first let's talk about some things that we do during a lesson. Do we raise our hand and then just shout out without being called on? No. Do we shout out?
No.
What do we do when we want to share an answer that we have?
Be quiet.
What do we do when we want to share an answer that we have? Bella?
We raise our hand very quietly, and then we call out really quiet.
Yeah, you raise your hand quietly, right? Good, Raphael.
We have to be kind and don't get up when the teacher doesn't say so.
Yes, that's great. Yeah, those are some things that we do during class, right? To show that we're respectful and kind, and then we can learn better when other people are raising their hands and not shouting out, right? Parker?
Shout out for people who know that.
Exactly, we don't shout out. So we're gonna watch a little video, and it is called Subtraction with Puffballs. That's okay. Yeah, that's okay. Okay, we're gonna do subtraction with puffballs. There's these fun little characters. I'm gonna switch it over right now, and you guys are gonna get to learn a little bit about subtraction. Okay, so all eyes up on the board.
Turn on the volume.
Words with puffballs.
Oh, me too. I knew this one too.
The word of the day is subtraction. Subtraction is when you take away objects from a group and then count how many are left. There are two balls. Take one ball away. One is left. Subtraction. There are three fish. Take one fish away. And one, two fish are left. Subtraction. 4 sandbags. Take away 4. And 0 sandbags are left. Subtraction. All right, puffballs, go find subtraction.
Two cotton candies. Take one away. One cotton candy left. Subtraction.
Yes.
3 bowling pins. And 2 more. Subtraction.
No, Tinka, that's not subtraction. You
That's
added
right.
bowling pins. For subtraction, you take them away.
Okay. Raise the baby. Thinking of subtraction.
No, Tinka, you
Not
added
added.
basketballs. Let me show you subtraction. There are 1, 2, 3. 3 basketballs. Take 2 away. 1 basketball is left. Subtraction.
Oh, got it. Subtraction.
No, Tinka.
Don't me. Hey, let's say that. Two teddy bears. Take one away. One teddy bear left. Subtraction.
Yes!
Hey everyone, Marvy here.
Very good. So some of you might remember that. So can someone tell me, what does it mean to subtract? Adam, what does it mean?
Take away.
To take away. Good. So we're going to go through some little flashcards like you guys have seen before. And I want you to tell me, I have this up here in the front. It says addition on one side. I'll turn it a little. And subtraction on the other side. I'm going to show you a card, and someone will raise their hand and tell me what category does it go in, addition or subtraction, okay? Let's see, make sure you can see. So we have subtraction sentence. Does someone know if it goes under addition or subtraction? Jackson, what do you think?
Subtraction.
Subtraction. You want to come put it up here for me? Come on this side right here. And can you stick it to subtraction? A subtraction sentence. Make sure you're looking so you can put it on there. Good, perfect. Thank you, Jackson. All right, the next one we have count back. Think about where that would go. Talia, where do you think this would go? In subtraction or addition?
Addition.
In addition? Does someone else, who else thinks it goes in addition? Or Skyly, do you want to try? Do you think it goes in addition or subtraction?
Subtraction.
Subtraction, because we're counting backwards. Now, what would addition be, Talia? I think you know this one. Counting
Forward.
forward. Good. Skyly, do you want to come put it up here on subtraction? Good. We have some more. Difference. Talia, do you want to try this one again? Difference. Do you think this one goes in subtraction or addition? Addition?
Difference.
The difference. Good.
Subtraction. I think.
Subtraction. We'll look at the back of this one. 9 minus 4 is 5. So the difference between 9 and 4 is 5. So it goes in subtraction. Very good. You can go put it down. We're learning new vocabulary words. So difference is one of those. Difference. All right. What about adding? Raphael.
Adding.
Addition. Good. You can come put it up here for us. An addition. Our first one on addition. You can walk around this way, buddy. This way. Very good. You can stick it to addition. All right. What about subtract? Charlotte?
Addition.
You think subtract goes in addition?
No, it's
Are you being silly? Yeah. Can you tell us where it goes? Do you need some help? You want someone to help you?
Me.
Can you choose someone to help you?
Saving.
Sub-
Subtraction.
Subtraction. Good. Charlotte, do you want to come put this one up since Skylar already did? And we don't have much space. You can just put it maybe right here below. This one off for you. Stick it right there. Perfect. Good. Now what about add? Where do you think add goes? Lillian. Do you think add goes in addition or subtraction? Addition. Very good. You can come up here and put this one on. All right, we only have 2 more. You guys are doing such a good job. Zach. Zach, do you have a guess? Where do you think the word sum goes? Do you think it goes into subtraction or addition, the sum? Do you want to have someone help you? Addition. Good job. Come put it up here for us.
How did you know, Tyler?
Okay, we have one more. This one is, Leon. This one is addition sentence. You think this one's an addition or subtraction, Parker? Addition. You can put it right here. Here. Oh, there we go, like this. Perfect. All right, Parker. Good. So now we have some words under addition and subtraction. So we're going to go over some vocabulary that has to do with subtraction. And I made a little chart for you guys. It looks like this. Leon, if you can't see, you can go sit right there at that table. Can you see? No. Okay, go sit right here at this table then. We want to make sure you can see. Oh, did you? Move right here then. So when I say the word, can I have you guys repeat the word for me? Right? All right, let's see. Subtract.
Subtract.
Oh, I want to hear everyone say it. Subtract.
Subtract.
Good. Minus.
Minus. Minus.
Take away.
Take away.
Difference.
Difference.
Decrease.
Decrease.
Fewer.
Fewer.
Less than.
Less than.
Good. And remove.
Remove.
What does remove mean? Bella. Yeah, subtract. That's what you're trying to say. Subtract or take away. So all of these words are subtraction words, and we're going to be using them while we do our activity. So we just went over all the vocabulary that you need to know. Yes. Oh, I know, we're not there yet. So I'm going to give you a worksheet, but before we start our worksheet, can someone tell me what these are?
Blocks.
Talia.
Blocks.
They're blocks, they're cubes, right? Are these toys?
No.
No, these are not toys. These are tools. Can everyone say tools?
Tools.
Tools, these are things that we use for math in school to help our brains work. So we're not building things with them. We're not playing with them. We're using them as tools. So I'm going to hand out a worksheet for all of you, and we're going to start doing some of it together. We're going to work on subtraction. Can you say subtraction?
Subtraction.
Good. All right. Everyone have one? Okay. I'm gonna unfreeze my screen. So all of you have this worksheet, right? Yeah? Okay. So on the first one, we're gonna do this together. All eyes up on the board. If I have 5 cubes, can we count them together? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And I take away 2. 2 are gone. 2 are gone. How many do I have left? Can we count together? 1, 2, 3. Good. Can everyone write down 3? All right, now we have 3 left. If I take away 1, how many do we have left? 1, 2. So we have 2 left. Good. We could do this with blocks. Talia, we could do this using blocks, right? Or we can do it using pictures. So if we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 stars, and I write 6 stars. If I have 6 stars and I take away or minus, how many am I taking away? Can someone raise their hand and tell me? Bella.
2.
I'm taking away 2. It equals, can everyone write their equal sign? How many do we have left? Let's count together. 1, 2, 3, 4. Good, so we can use figures to help us count. Let's do number 4 together. Am I going too fast?
No.
No? Okay, ready? We have 1, 2, 3, 4. We have 4 circles, and we are minusing or taking away. How many are we taking away, Skyly? 1. That equals, how many do we have left? 1, 2, 3. Good. All right. Now, I want you to look at these birds. We have 3 birds, and we take away 0. Can you hold up on your fingers how many we have left if we have 3 birds and we take away 0? So if you think we have 3 birds left, show me 3. If you think we have 2 birds left, show me 2. If you think we have 1 bird left, show me 1, and 0 is like this, 0. How many birds do we have left? Oh, I see a lot of 3s. If you said 3, you are the correct answer. If I have 3 birds, yes? It's okay. You can just write over it. Okay? So we have 3 and we take away 0. Oh, Skyly, thank you. It's okay. We still have 3. Let's do one more together. Yes, Raphael?
So I'm done.
Very good. So if we have 4 birds and I take away 4, can you guys all cross out 1, 2, 3, 4? Can you hold up on your fingers how many birds we have left if we take away 4? Show me with your fingers, not with your... There we go. We have 4 birds and we take away 1, 2, 3, 4. We have 0 birds left.
I finished.
You guys are very good at this. Very good. Awesome job. So now, I want to know what would happen. Can everyone look up here? Class.
Yes.
All right. If we do 3 minus 0, we know we get 3, right? What if we switch the numbers? What if I did 0 minus 3? What do you think would happen? Can someone tell me what they think would happen? Think about it for a second. Adam, what do you think would happen?
So if you have
Jackson.
so 0 does nothing because you have 3. If you do 1, it's gonna take away to 2. If it's 0, it's still gonna be 3.
Well, what if I have no blocks. I have no blocks at all. So these are all my blocks. Someone took them all away. I have 0 blocks. And someone says, someone says, can you give me 3 blocks? I would say, I have no blocks for you, right? So can we switch the order of the numbers and it stay the same? Does it stay the same or does it change? No is the right answer. We can't switch the order of the numbers because it'll change the whole thing. Very good job. So that's a little bit, I'll tell you, that's a little bit different than addition, right? Because we know that in addition, we can switch the numbers, and in subtraction, we cannot. So I'm going to give you guys a handful of blocks. And we are going to work on some problems together, okay? All right, I'm going to walk down and give you all blocks to share. Hang on. You can go grab a pencil. Because they got here late. Still late. Yes? Okay, well. Oh, get back on your chair, Zach. All right, now eyes up on the board. We're gonna practice our subtraction using our blocks. Are we building things with our blocks? No, we're using them to subtract. So let's start. Eyes up on the board. We're gonna practice all together. When you get your answer, oh my friends, class. When you get your answer, I want you to show me your answer on your blocks. If your answer is 1, how many blocks do you hold up? 1. If my answer is 2, how many blocks do I hold up? 2. So I want you to hold up your answer once you get it so I can see it. So Miss Stanley can see it, okay? Here we go. We're gonna practice. All right. Here we go. 5 minus 2. 5 minus 2. I want to see you do it on your blocks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I take away 2. Someone show me how many blocks you have left. Hold them up. Raphael, I see you playing with your blocks, not using your blocks. Oh, I see Skyly has an answer. Adam has an answer. Oh, we don't want to scream out the answer, just hold it up. Good. Very good. Let's keep going. Woo. And 3 is our sum. Our sum. All right, we're doing a new problem. Get your cubes ready. Get all your cubes ready. Okay. Show me with your hand or your blocks how many cubes 3 minus 3 equals. Oh, there we go. Very good. All right. 0. Woo. Give yourself a clap if you got it right. 0. You can go like this for 0. All right, get your blocks ready. We're doing another one. Yes, Skyly?
Isabella's been copying. No.
Uh-oh.
1 plus 1.
Show me with your blocks or your hands how many equals. All right.
0.
Oh, show me with your blocks or your hands. Do you have some blocks?
What's your name?
Sure.
I believe
0. Good job. Talia, Bella. Now let's get a little bit harder. We got a gift. A car. We got a gift for doing so well. All right, let's do this one. This one's getting a little harder. 10 minus 7 equals. Can you, oh, I don't want to hear you shout it out. I want to see you do it on your blocks and show me with your blocks or your fingers. You can show me with your blocks or your fingers. How many we have left? Oh, I see a lot of good answers. I see a lot of good answers. All right, let's see what it is. 3. All of you got that answer right. Very good job. All right, are we ready to do 2 more? Yeah? Oh, there he goes. He's flying away. 2 minus 2 equals. One more. Oh no, we skipped the whole problem. Here we go. All right. Let's wait for the next one. I know, we're gonna do one more of this other one. 9 minus 2. Can you show me with your blocks or your fingers how many we have left? Jackson, can you show me? What's 9 minus 2 with your blocks or your fingers? Oh, I see a lot of good answers. Jackson, I don't know what your answer is. Can I see it? 2. If we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Can I borrow 2 of your blocks? 8, 9. If we have 9 and we take away 2. You guys are so smart. We get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Very good. Class.
Yes,
I am very impressed by your addition skills. We're going to do another worksheet, and I want you to do this on your own. Are we working with our partners?
Yes.
No, we are working on our own. Can you say on my own?
On my own.
Good. I'm going to hand this out to you, and I want you to use the images on here to cross out. So I'll show you how we're going to do it. Everyone's eyes up on the board. I have 4 burgers. Oh, it's frozen. I have 4 burgers. If I take away 2 burgers, how many do I have left? Someone show me their hands. Show me your hands. 2. And that's what I want you to do. I need you to show me your work on here, okay? This is showing your work, crossing them out. And you can also use your blocks. When you finish, I want you to go on iReady Math. What are we doing when we finish? iReady Math. Good job. And don't forget to write your name on the top. I want to see all of your names. Sorry, we're not building. We're playing with these. working on their worksheet. Yep, Olivia, work on your own. Olivia, please work on your own. Oh, I see a lot of good answers. Good. Once you're done, what do you do? Alrighty, math.
I'm done.
Very good job. Are you still using it? Everyone write your name on your paper. Once you're done, you go on I Ready Math. Riley, looks like you're ready to go on I Ready Math. Good job. All right, once you're done, I want to see you on your Chromebook. That's how I'll know that you're done. Once you're done, we're working on I Ready Math on our Chromebook. Holly, are you done? I think you're done, so I want to see you on your Chromebook. Here's all the directions. Yep. You can go, it's okay, I can do it. I can do it. Just sit down, please. I want to see you in your Chromebook now. Once everyone's on their Chromebook, I'll know that you're done. Thank you. Okay, get on your Chromebook, Parker. Please, I want to see you. Talia, you're done, so I need to see you in your Chromebook. Please follow directions I asked you twice. Zach, you too? Are you still working on it? Okay, Zach. Can you use your pencil? All right. If you have 4 burgers, so you take away 2. Can you cross out 2? Okay, now let's do this one. We have 5, and we take away 3. This one. You take away 1. You're taking away 2. So we're taking away 4 minus.
Why is there a phone in the airway? Why is there a phone? You're watching us. Why is there a phone if you're watching us?
Okay, ready?
Good. Class.
Yes.
I am so impressed by how good you guys are at subtraction. I have some questions for you. Do you guys think you can answer my questions? Yes? So, what? Oh, I know some of you can. What do you think that you use? Oh, Zach, can you turn your volume off, please, buddy? So I want you to pause where you are right now. Zach, please look at me. What happens, or what do you use subtraction for in real life? Zach, Raphael.
Taking away.
Taking away. So what would I use it for in real life, like at school or at the grocery store?
No. So if you have a work, like, teach somebody for a job,
Oh, if you were subtracting someone to give someone else a job, so you're taking them away. What about toys? What about sharing toys? What do I do when I share toys? Skyly?
you give them the same amount.
Well, if I'm sharing toys, what am I doing, Bella? Subtraction. What about when I'm at the grocery store? What do I use to give them? Do I pay with money?
Yes.
So am I giving or are they taking money from me? Taking, so that's subtraction. Can anyone think of one more thing that we do with subtraction? Andrew, what's one more thing that we do with subtraction? Skyly.
You have 100 dolls. You take $100 away, you have $0.
Yeah, maybe your parents take away your dolls from you because they say you can't have any more dolls. And now you're subtracting dolls. Very good. Yes, Emily.
There's a teacher that gave it to him and she has
Yeah, so if you have 3 brothers, maybe one of your brothers goes to college. And now you only have 2 here, right? You still have 3, but you have 2 here. Exactly, like you had if we took away Rebus, how many brothers would you have? 1 brother, right? So that's subtraction. We use subtraction every day. Very good. You guys can continue on I'm ready right now, okay? Yes, Parker. Awesome. I'm going to come around and collect your worksheet, okay?